In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your bandsaw guide bearings off and clean them even if they're sealed. Alex Snodgrass did a video on this several years ago, the godfather of bandsaws, and I'm going to show you my take on it. Now, I've already done the bottom guides. Carter guides is what I'm using on my Grizzly bandsaw. So this is the guide bearing taken out of the two parts of the bearing, and there's a sleeve in the middle. I take a pocket knife, just barely, just enough to pop it out. Now in my case, I'm using some PB Blaster. Liberally squirt this in, kind of let it soak around in there. Reinsert it back into the guide. You're back in business.